Okay, so now we're going to be looking at expanding brackets. This is useful when we want to expand brackets and then simplify it into more simple terms, or it just might be a question which might be asked in the exam. So, for example, if I was to ask you to expand x times x plus 2, it's very simple. What you need to do is multiply each term respectively. So I need to multiply x to here and then multiply it to here as well. So x times x is x squared plus x times 2 is 2x. That we've expanded a bracket. Right, so let's take a look at when we have more than two brackets, or two brackets in fact. So we have x minus y multiplied by, let's say, 2x plus 4y. So you just want to try and think to yourself that I want to multiply each term to each term in each bracket. So starting off with this x, I want to multiply to this 2x and this 4y. So I'll get 2x squared plus 4xy. And then same thing with here, this minus y, I want to multiply to each term like this. So I will get minus 2xy minus 4y squared. And technically this is the answer, but we can always simplify because these two others have the both x and y. So I can say it's 2x squared plus 2xy minus 4y squared. Just simplifying. We can also do it with 2 or 3 brackets. So let's say we have 4 plus x squared multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, so this is squared, right? So we're going to deal with the squared one first. So if I can expand that by saying it's 4 plus x times 4 plus x times by x plus 1. So when we have 3 brackets, just think about doing the 2 brackets first and then leave it the last one. So same method as before. So we get 4 times 4 is 16 plus 4x plus 4x plus x squared. So that's the 2 brackets expanded. And now we need to multiply to this one. I can simplify this a bit. So I have 16 plus 8x plus x squared multiplied by x plus 1. And then now we got, even though we have 3 terms on this bracket here, it's still the same thing. Multiply to each term. So 16 times this and this. So we get 16x plus 16. Same thing with the 8x. So 8x times 8x is 8x squared plus 8x. And x squared times x is x cubed plus times 1 is x squared. And then finally we can simplify a bit. So we have x cubed, we have 8x plus 1x, so 9x squared, plus 16x plus 8x, so 24x plus 16 like this. Okay, so expanding brackets isn't too difficult. Just make sure you multiply each term in the bracket to each term in the other bracket as well.